how to make crosshair in Valorant. So I'm just gonna show you three crosshairs or crosshairs that you can use while playing. So first, I'm just gonna put that in the description so you could copy it. So go to crosshair, and now you just simply need to import profile code. I'm just gonna get the profile code right here. So I'm gonna copy it and just simply paste it right here on Valorant or my import profile, and click on import. So this is the first one, which is pretty nice. It has good visibility. So the second one is, I'm just going to import it again and paste it right here. So this is the second one, which is also pretty nice. So it's up to your preference, what you like. And for the last one is this. So I'm just going to copy it again. So I'm going to put all of the codes in the description for you to copy and paste to your game. So import. And there's the last one, which is pretty simple and pretty minimalistic. So you could also change the color if you want. So I prefer white for this one, as you can see right there. And that's basically it.